Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OnePlus Go Pad and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on it. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there scroll down and choose Settings. In it, Family and Parental Control, which is on, and we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it by tap to page 16, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!